Cardio workout is any activity that moves your body and elevates your heart rate. Cardio is not only necessary for shedding your pounds, but it is also important to get your heart rate up, and it also helps in weight loss. We can convert yoga poses into cardio workout by modifying its intensity, as yoga does more than burning calories and toning muscles. Here we'll be doing different yoga asanas by increasing its intensity, so it will give a good pumping to your heart. Please follow this 10 to 12-minute workout back to back. Hello everyone. So in this video I am up with yoga cardio workout. So let's start. First we are doing yoga walk. For yoga walk, stand on the edge of your mat. Now walk on your toes like this. Keep your body straight, forward and then backward movement. One more time. Relax. Now you have to walk on your heels like this. Try to balance and walk on your heels. Forward then backward. Now you have to walk on the outer edges of your feet like this. You might find it difficult, but try to balance and walk. Now backward like this. Try to keep your body pressures on the outer edges only. Now walk on the inner edges of your feet like this. Slowly try to balance. Breathe normal in between. Relax. Now you can stretch a bit in between. Stretch your ankles. Relax. Now we are doing Veerbhadrasana 2. Outer leg 90 degree, inner leg 60 degree. Now exhale, go down, inhale, up. Again exhale, go down, inhale, up. Repeat it 4 to 5 times. Exhale, inhale, exhale. Now hold the pose. Relax. Other side, Veerbhadrasana 2. Outer leg 90 degree, inner leg 60 degree, hand shoulder level. Now exhale, go down, inhale, up, exhale, inhale. Repeat 5 to 7 times. Now exhale, hold the pose. Try to keep your upper body straight. Relax. Now the next is Viparit Veerbhadrasana 2. Again, outer leg 90 degree, inner leg 60 degree. Now inhale and try to bend like this, backward bending. Exhale, come up. Inhale, exhale. Repeat it 4 to 5 times. Try to bend as much as possible for you. Now bend and hold the pose. Breathe normal in between. Relax. Now other side we'll do the same asana, Viparit Veerbhadrasana 2. Outer leg again 90 degree, inner leg 60 degree. Try to bend like this. Inhale, backward bending. Exhale, leave the pose. Inhale, exhale. Repeat 4 to 5 times. Now inhale, hold the pose for minimum 10 seconds. Breathe normal in between. Relax. Now we are doing Utkatasana and its variation. Keep 1 foot distance between your legs. Take the support of wall. Either you can be in Namaskar position or keep your hands straight. Now try to sit as if you are sitting on a chair. Hold for 5 seconds. Relax. One more time. Chair pose or Utkatasana. Now this time you will hold for 10 seconds. Now it's time for some forward bending. Uttanasana. Try to bend forward, touch your hands or your palms on the floor. Again up. Exhale, go down. Inhale up. Again exhale, go down. Try to bend as much as possible for you. Hold the pose. Now relax. Now some variation of Utkatasana. First again 1 foot distance. Take the support of wall. Now slowly come in Utkatasana pose. Hold for 5 seconds. Relax. Now this time we will do with one leg. Fold one leg like this. Now hold. You may find it difficult to hold, so hold for 5 seconds only, then relax. Now one more time. Hold for 5 seconds. Now with one leg, hold your other leg like this and hold. Breathe normal in between. Relax. Now we are doing some sitting poses. Sit like this. Now you need to slide your body. Slowly lift your leg and try to slide forward. You can easily feel pressure on your stomach, your thighs. Now again repeat back side. Now this time you will clap your hands so that it will give a good twist to your spine and slide forward. Slowly lift your one leg, then slide, then other leg, then slide. Try to twist your upper body, then backward. Relax. The next is cow pose. Here we are doing one leg aerial cow pose. Try to touch your knee with your forehead and then lift up. Inhale, touch, exhale, lift up. Inhale, touch, exhale, lift up. Repeat it minimum 10 times with one leg and 10 times with the other leg. Relax. Now other side. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, try to touch your feet with your forehead. Exhale, lift your leg up. Relax. You can relax in Balasana in between. Now the next we are doing is Dandasana and its variation. Balance your body like this on your toes. Keep your body straight. Now balance on your elbow, then your palms, then again on your elbow, again on your palms. Repeat it minimum 8 to 10 times. Try to balance on your toes and breathe normal in between. relax. Now the next is you need to jump on your toes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minimum 8 to 10 times you have to do. It will give a good pumping to your heart. Relax. Resting in Balasana, you can breathe a lot. You can give your body rest. So you can do it in between. Now next, again Dandasana variation. Tap your shoulders like this. Tap your right shoulder with your left hand and left shoulder with your right hand. Repeat it minimum 10 times. You can do 2 sets of each if you wish. Now the next is hold in plank position or the Chaturanga Dandasana variation. Your body should be straight on your toes, look front, breathe normal in between and hold for minimum 10 seconds. After that you can increase your timings up to 1 minute. Relax. After this you can do stretching of your hands, your back, your chest. Relax. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, it's time to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you.